Oh my gosh!
Oh my God.
Yeah, I was expecting this, that we're going to meet again. Oh my gosh, this is my son.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
We met at one, diba? Tumaget.
Kasi here in Cagayan, we're conducting our Tita Sanjay elections. And ito kasi yung anak ko, Tita Sanjay. Kaya we're here. Sabi niya, I couldn't be here without my mom. So actually, we are the sponsor. You're Rotarian.
Yeah, I'm so proud of your son. He's so proud. Yeah. Way back before it's
Yeah. No, Danny.
Tama po eh. Because like, they're older na. And
We're just enjoying this. We're planning to
We're at our 20s pa naman.
actually kasi,
Pero may tinugan.
si ano,
Nakat.
Okay.